Hello everyone, Isabella Ritz with Ritz Momentum and Ecom Product Finders newsletter that you can sign up under this video below, and VOC AI that we're going to talk today about how can you improve your listing, how can you improve your product if you are stuck and you don't know what else can you do to make your product and conversion better. So right now we're going to dive into the VOC AI, and please sign up for their 7 days free trial using my personal link below this video. So I already picked for the product for you guys, which is sauna hat. And this is one of the examples of our followers that were asking me in the previous webinars to go over this product and see if this product is even feasible and possible to sell on Amazon. So the first step, as we discussed in the previous videos, you are trying to scrape all reviews possible that are relevant to the product. So when I click to sauna hat, I picked several products that are relevant. This one is actually irrelevant. I don't know how it got here, but we will have to remove this one because it's a relevant one. People definitely taking it to the sauna as well. But when you're choosing the product, you have to make sure every single product has reviews. Every single product is relevant to the product you're analyzing, so you have opportunity to scrape an actual data. So now we're coming back to the category insights, and what we have here, we have competitor analysis. We have opportunity to see who is using this product, when this product is being used, where this product is being used, and what this product is being used for. We also have usage scenario, and we have rating optimization, customer sentiment, and we have customer motivation, positive and negative feedback, which gives us opportunity to understand how our buyers is acting on the back end when they're purchasing products from our competitors, right? So you can, of course, read through every single review and every single point, and you can go through the AI summary, which is not always correct. But what I would do, I would download the data on the right side from your menu. And after you do that, you have to have 5 different files. After that, I'll go to ChatGPT and I will upload all these files into my chat, and then I'll ask, create a list of improvements for the product sauna hat that I want to sell on Amazon, be based on the data from my shoppers that I uploaded into this chat based on VOC AI data. You can also drop here, not from my shoppers, from my potential shoppers who purchased this product from my competitors. So because I was dropping here different directions and requirements, and it's unrehearsed as every single video I'm typically recording, it's a little bit scrambled. The sentence is a little bit scrambled, but ChatGPT will get it all correctly. Anyway, so now we have perfect. I reviewed all VOC AI data sets you uploaded and consolidated. So now we have sauna hat data-backed improvement list. So we have heat protection, temperature control, top drivers. So we have to make sure our hat is following this specific requirement. Hat doesn't protect enough from heat, so we have to fix this problem. Heat escapes too fast, doesn't regulate temperature well. Sauna sessions feel shorter than expected. So we have to work on improvements that are being recommended. Thicker felt density, multi-layer insulation, extended coverage around ears, reinforced crown area. So now we have also recommendations about material safety and smell elimination. Next one, we have fit and size inclusivity. Next one, we have comfort during long sauna sessions. Next one is moisture handling and sweat performance, durability and shape retention, design and aesthetical appeal, and giftability and perceived value, clear use case positioning. And all these guys can be recommended only based on the data. So there is nothing you can do by discovering product yourself and be based on your personal opinion. You have to be back every single product you developing with data. So now I would ask AI. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini for it, you can use Copilot. I use ChatGPT because my ChatGPT is acting pretty good based on my directions, based on the memory I uploaded for so many years, and it gives me results I am requiring to get. So Now I'm asking, create a list of improvements ready to build a perfect sauna head. So now, and we're also being based on the data. If you will see that your AI is not working database, so you can always adjust it and make it a little bit better. And you can come back to your prompt and you can say, hey, build this hat or build this product based on the data. Don't add anything from your assumption or beliefs, right? So now we have perfect sauna hat, build specification and improvements. We have material quality and safety. We have comfort for long sauna sessions. We have fit and size engineering. We have several options. We have moisture sweat management. We have shape retention durability. We have design aesthetics here. We have hair and scalp protection as well. And we have ease to care. We have packaging and unboxing experience. And now we probably will have also follow up with ChatGPT asking you, if you want me to next, I can turn into the factory tech pack, create a review proof Amazon listing outline, build a comparison chart, define price position. So out of all this, I want actually to create a potential mockup, and I'm asking create perfect design draft of this based on your requirements. I would probably also do create a perfect mock-up. So sometimes ChatGPT immediately is jumping into picture creation. Sometimes it's also adjusting himself for the additional better requirements. So it's recreating the list of improvements. And then when this one is ready, we will get back to it and we'll see what ChatGPT came up with. At the same time, while I have this prompt here, I will also try to design this product with Gemini. So while ChatGPT is working, I'm going to Gemini and I'm asking Gemini to do exactly the same thing. And I'm saying design perfect sauna head, and I'm clicking send. So we can create that one. If you guys work with Midjourney, you can try to do it there as well. I recently unsubscribed just because there are plenty of other tools and AIs that I'm using and working with. So, but Gemini can create something cool as well. So that's what we've got. We got actually a pretty interesting design that definitely is based on the requirements we've been building. And we also have a box and we have a bag and we have instructions and we have some pointers like superior heat protection, double insulated perfect fit sizes, which is like, it's actually pretty good. Covers ears and neck. So, which means you will be able to protect all parts of your head and with the head. Shape retaining design, insulated layers. So we have thick wool felt and we have soft inner lining, which is phenomenal. Let's see what Gemini can come up with. So we asking create a visual and we'll see what Gemini will give us. So the point is that if you believe that the product you just validated with data, like we've been watching in other videos, like with Smart Scout and Data Dive, and this product has a potential to be sold on Amazon, and now you have to create a better product that you will be able to sell and be successful with this product, you have to be based on VOC AI data that is being scraped from your competitors, and then you'll be able to recreate a perfect product. So now we guys have an opportunity to test these two designs that your designers will probably take forever to recreate those. We have this hat that is not being sold on Amazon. We have this hat. I think this one actually will have better potential, but now you can technically download this hat to your computer and then you can go into ChatGPT. You can come back and you can ask. And also I would download this product as well. And I'll say now, create my perfect customer avatar. So now I'll get my perfect customer avatar. And while this thing is working, I will take both versions of the design. I will rename each file. One file will be hat 1 and another file will be hat 2. So you will not just drop two files off from ChatGPT and Gemini. So now we have a perfect customer avatar with the lifestyle, with their core identity, with core motivations, with primary pain points, with emotional buying drivers, and we have like picture and understanding who our avatar is. And now I'm dropping two pictures and I'm saying simulate a poll of 100 shoppers based on my perfect customer avatar and run it with comments to see which product will win and deserves to be manufactured and sold to public. So now we will be able to run the simulation, and now we will be able to run the simulation without paying any extra money to, for example, Pickfu or Product Opinion. And it doesn't mean it's enough. Everything it means is that we have an opportunity to run the initial poll, and we have an opportunity to build an understanding of our customers first before we will go and pay a certain amount of dollars to run paid polls. So we have right now, Head 1 got 29 votes and Head 2 got 71 votes. So we have why Head 2 won. Psychological breakdown. Head 2 immediately communicates authentic sauna use, calm, serious wellness ritual, real environment, steam, wood bench. Makes sense. This looks like belongs in a real sauna. And Head 1 feels more like an Amazon product trying to explain itself. Interesting. So simulated buyer comments, realistic and raw. This looks like something a serious sauna users own. I trust this one more. It feels real, not marketing heavy. I don't need icons. I just want something well made. And buyers who choose Head number 1, I like seeing the features explained, feel safer for a first-time buyer. The visuals help me understand what I'm getting. Looks more polished, but maybe a bit commercial. So we have, and of course it's simulated, it's with the eye, but it's pretty darn close to what people might be purchasing, buying, and considering. And I personally would probably pick this one, but we can't trust our own opinion. We have to always be based on data. So of course you can redo the products and you can rerun the simulations, and you can also position these products in the same setting. Because if the product is, one product looks like a giftable and another one looks in the actual setting, people can imagine themselves there on the first place. So you have to position, if you want to have a fair comparison, you have to position two products exactly the same. So, and this is how you guys are able to come up with an idea how to improve the product, what to improve inside of the product, design this product. And we've been able to do it within just probably 15 minutes inside of this video, which means you can do exactly the same. And as long as you're signed up to VOC AI using this link below this video, that will give you 7 days for free trial, you can build your products independently without asking anybody for help, not paying your designers, not paying your product designers, and then you'll be able to workshop this design with your manufacturer, and they probably will create manufacturing files for you for free. Just make sure your file and design patent, and it will not go and being spread everywhere. I hope it's been useful. See you guys later. Isabella Reese with Ecom Product Finders and Reads Momentum, sponsored by VOC AI.